Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
Jay making moves.
Rock money enough. Ascolta.
Jay.
YouTube. Family. What's good? What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay here today with something special, man. We are actually taking it back to the past on this one, although we do have this shooter I'm about to show y'all releasing this year. Quick disclaimer, y'all know I don't clickbait, y'all know I don't give y'all false information. The pair that I am showing you guys in this video is the previous retro version of the shoe, the Jordan 14 Ferraris from 2015. I think, if my memory serves me right, that was the last release of them, y'all. But we do have the 2015 pair here. This pair that is shown in the video, of course, is very similar to what is upcoming. Of course, we will be seeing the new remastered pair in June, I want to say, of this year at a suggested retail price of $210, which is, I want to say, $30 or so cheaper than its previous release, man. So I'm here for it, y'all. We're gonna talk about some similarities and some things that I feel like will be pretty much the same when it does come to the Ferraris. And you guys have been asking about them. I don't have the new pair yet, so I said let me go ahead and revisit this old pair since I do have it in my collection. Show y'all quick on feet and what to expect on the pair that is releasing in June, man. But before we dive into it, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, I would love for you to stick around so you can see the earliest of the earlies, the on feats, the vlogs, the list goes on, man. Take a look at the archive, and if you see anything that you like, make sure you become a member of the fam by hitting that subscribe button. And do not stop there. Make sure you leave that comment down below, man. Look, hitting up the comment section is crucial. I want to welcome each and every one of y'all to the fam. Like I said, I want to acknowledge all the people who do support the channel, man. So if you are new or if you are a returning viewer who has not yet commented or hit the subscribe button, make sure you do that today. We are on the road to 200K, man. As you can see from back there, man, the live subscriber counter, we are at 192K, which we recently hit, man. So I appreciate each and every step of the way. Thank y'all for all that y'all do for your boy Jay. But yes, sir, man, this video will conclude your boy Jay throwing the 2015 pair on feet, as well as going over some key features that I noticed, because I do not have that new pair in hand yet, but there are some noticeable things from the new upcoming pair and this pair that I can kind of talk about, and we'll do all that, man. Before we get into it, man, real quick, make sure that you guys do tap in with Soul Premise. I do have, appreciate you, my red duffel right here, y'all. Bang! You see it, man. One of my favorite bags. This bag, a fully customizable bag, y'all. I have been getting some DMs from y'all saying that my promo code ain't working, man. Look, click the link down below. The promo should automatically be discounted, but if it's not, hit Jay the Sneaker Guy, y'all. Just type in Jay the Sneaker Guy. It will work, man. So shout out to everyone who has been trying to get bags. This is, of course, like I said, that customizable bag where you can customize it to your own liking. You do have stock slots and stuff right there on the top where you can secure things, but you do have a big side right here, and you do got the shoe of the day right there on the side. Look how it just hits off the red bag, you know what I'm saying? But yes, I do have some shoe slots. As you can see, I put dividers in there so I can put a pair of shoes or some miscellaneous things as I have in there. And that slot, then you can put, you know, your clothes or whatever else on that side. You also got some storage right here in the back, y'all. So this bag right here is a steal of a bag. You can get it on sale, I want to say, for right around $100 or less. Damn. You can definitely probably get them for cheaper than $100. Just click the link down below in the description. If you do not have a Soul Premise bag already, like I tell y'all, y'all missing out, man. My wife is already on the wave. Like she's not the easiest one to please, I be telling y'all, and she done jumped on the wave, man. She got to take her Soul Premise bag with her. But yeah, man, tap in. I do have a bag, a different color, shape, size, whatever you need. They do have one for your liking, man. Just hit the link that's down below in the description and you will get situated and taken care of. And I need for you, if you do get one, comment down below, let me know about how you like your bag. I've been seeing those comments. A couple people have been telling me how they like their bags. They've been putting fire emojis, all that good stuff. You don't know about it until you go ahead and try it yourself, man. So the link is down below in the description. Make sure you tap into that. But bang, man, look, y'all, I told y'all, hey, when you have a shoe that retroed in the previous years as clean as my pairs be looking, does it make sense to copy the upcoming pair, y'all? And for me, I'm a little different, y'all. I kind of gotta cop them because I'm a content creator that does content around shoes, so I definitely am gonna cop them, y'all. But will I keep them is the question. But yes, copping them, you know your boy Jay will, man. But yes, look, these right here, I literally only wore my pair probably like 2 or 3 times, hence to why I said let me go ahead and throw these on today, give it a quick little wear and get y'all thoughts and opinions on it, man. So what I am rocking with them today is, of course, the shirt that I told y'all can go with a lot of things outside of what it was made for. Of course, the brick by brick Jordan 4s. I do got on the black tee just to rock real quick with these, throw on a quick fit and show y'all how it looks. Comment down below, did y'all pick up one of these tees, and will y'all pick up one in the future, just for the simple fact that it goes with a lot of shoes, man. But yes, the Jordan 14s, which are releasing in June, this isn't that pair, but pretty much the same looking thing, y'all. The difference, of course, starting from the outside in, y'all, the box, y'all. So when these released, of course, 10 years ago, it's been 10 years since we seen Ferrari 14s, but 10 years ago when we did get the original Ferrari 14 release, y'all, we got it in the black box. And this is something I would like to see Jordan Brand bring back when it comes to like certain Jordan 14s, Jordan 12s came in this box, I want to say. So certain retros, I would like for them to bring back this style of box, man. They did shock me with the rare airs when they brought back the face box, so anything is possible. Jordan Brand, this would have been a dope box, but however, the new pair will be coming in the silver box, bang, which I do have right here, man. But yes, man, we will not be getting, of course, the previous box, which is the black box. We will be getting the silver box on this upcoming pair, y'all. So outside of the box, y'all, let's have a real quick discussion on Jordan 14s in general, y'all, and how I feel like this release will be, y'all. I think the Jordan 14 Ferraris that are set to be releasing this year will be one of the most limited shoes to release all year, man. Number one, it is a Ferrari 14. It is a special project from Jordan Brand, and the number one thing that I know what's going to keep this shoe very limited is Nike and Jordan Brand has been limited shoes already, and this is a Jordan 14. Now, I don't recall the last Jordan 14 that sat around for months on months, weeks on weeks, even back when things were sitting. If you take a look back to last year, I want to say the Jordan 14 black and whites released, or maybe that was 23. One of the 2 years, but those Jordan 14 black and whites that did release, y'all, which I can show y'all, right there, y'all, these did not sit around. They were actually kind of hard to find, man. Not many stores got these, and you can expect the same thing, like I said, if not 10 times worse when it comes to the Jordan 14 Ferraris, because that's just how 14s go, y'all. If y'all look back to last year, I know these released last year, the black toe 14s, those, another shoe, man, those sold out instantly, y'all, and those came out around a time where shoes were sitting, man. And like I said, with this being a Jordan 14 and you add the Ferrari name on top of it, it's just gonna be that much more difficult to get your hands on. So I expect for it to be mayhem, chaos, and all the etc. when it does come to the Jordan 14 Ferrari. So just know that this is gonna be one of them shoes that you might end up having to pay to play if you want to get a pair, or you're gonna have to put in hella footwork. It will not be easy, man. But outside of that, we cannot talk much about, of course, the details of the shoe, as I don't have the new pair in hand. I don't know how the color's gonna look. I don't know how the carbon fiber's gonna look. I don't know about any of that because, like I said, I don't have them in hand. But just looking at my pair from 2015, man, super clean shoe. I can understand where all the hype is coming from, y'all. But real quick, let's throw these on feet, since I never initially hit y'all with an on feet. I wasn't on YouTube when these released, but the Jordan 14 Ferrari is such a classic shoe, man. It does have that all over red hit on it. They do give me the Jordan 6 Toro vibes. Of course, the Toros came out afterwards, but you can definitely see where that color scheme kind of came from, y'all. It does have that same type of look, same type of vibe to it, but the Ferraris, man, has that nice sleek look to it, and it has that nice popping red. Like, it looks like a Ferrari, man. This shoe lives up to its name, man. Like, definitely a clean pair. But taking a look at them right there on feet, like my pair, like I said, y'all, when I do get the new pair, y'all can bet your bottom dollar I'm coming back to this pair that I have right there on feet, and I'm throwing these on feet because there's no need. Y'all gonna get the same effect out of the new pair as these because they just are still that clean, man. But you got the chrome hits on it to symbolize that motor, you know, the carbon fiber hits to symbolize the interior and stuff like that, man. Just a superior, clean looking shoe, man. Comment down below if you are chasing after a pair come June. These were originally supposed to be set to be released next month. They have been pushed back alongside a couple other shoes, which we might get into more about during the week. But for right now, we sticking right here with these Ferraris, man. But a classic, nice shoe. Like I said, man, one of my favorites, man. But just wanted to chop it up with y'all about these Ferrari 14s, man. Y'all give me y'all thoughts and opinions. Are you copping a pair, trying to cop a pair, or are you just leaving them alone? This will be the 14 of the year, in my opinion. I don't think there's other Jordan 14s that's releasing outside of these. And if there were, I mean, what could outdo a Ferrari 14? Y'all comment down below. Would it be last shots? I would argue Ferraris might be eating up last shots, man. Look how sleek. Look how, bro. I mean, I don't know. Y'all let me know, man. But take a look at the back, the tail lights at the bottom, just the detailing, man. And like I said, y'all, this is the 2015 pair. I keep them clean. You know, they some 10s, but I keep them clean though. You know what I'm saying? Word to Day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. That is pretty much it, man. I just wanted to revisit this. Although it's not Retro Thursday, it's Retro Sunday today. You know what I'm saying? We talking about the 2015 pair, but tomorrow we might talk about some great fives because the demand is rising on that shoe. I was gonna talk about that today, but we might get into that tomorrow. Y'all let me know if y'all want to talk about that. But we got a lot of early looks coming this upcoming weeks. Let me know if it's anything specific that y'all want to see on the channel. Your boy Jay will try to make it happen. But outside of that, man, that is it. I am checking out. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Sunday. I will leave y'all with a quick on feed of these, but y'all stay blessed. Till the next one, I'm gone, y'all. Peace.
Rock money off. Ascoltala.
Swap it out, swap it out, swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out, swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Swap it out, swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out.
You.